Let's take a breath and breathe into our time of meditation, just inhaling and exhaling. Breathing into the words of that song by Steve Epley, When I Was God, this co-creative energy of life. Inhaling and exhaling in this sacred space. Allowing ourselves to surrender the rational mind, to honor it, but to remember that it serves the mystical mind. That it's here not to be a detriment to our spiritual practice, but to humble us, to soften us. Not so that we get so caught up in it, so separate, so arrogant, so naive to think that we're all that. But clear enough and wise enough to know to point us to the Christ, to know that we can feel that co-creative ability, the power that we are, that as Jesus, the master teacher, lived and taught, ye are gods. You are the light of the world. Don't hide it. But also to become so empty, so humble, that we allow ourselves to be in awe, that we allow ourselves to be held, to recognize that we are in the river of life and we can be carried. And to allow that mystical mind, also known as the mind of Christ, the Christ consciousness, the enlightenment, to be our minds now. Inhaling and exhaling. We enter the sacrament of the present in the silence. Inhaling and exhaling. We feel our center, grounded, rooted, expansive. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know they are born blessed and here to be a blessing. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of that love. Namaste.